So today we're going to be reviewing this new amazing product by the brand Saviland. Guys, if you know me, you know that I love Saviland. Saviland is this new brand that I've been investing in, and today we're going to be reviewing their new airbrush colors that actually has 12 colors. So we have 12 beautiful colors to choose from, and I basically wanted to open it up and show you guys what they look like today, and at the end we'll close it out with our overall honest review. But let's jump right into opening it up for the first time to see what they look like, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so the brand does provide these. Let me pull one out so you guys can see it. One for each of them. Saviland always packages their products so well. Look at how amazing these look. I give 10 for presentation. We get so many different colors. So we get vibrant orange, lemon yellow, medium sea green, vibrant blue, vibrant purple, pink, pinkish purple, fiery red, rose pink, light nude. We also get white and black. So I love the variety. So they are 15 milliliters and 0.5 fluid ounces. So that's the size of each of them. All right, guys. So to open them up, you actually take the little caps that I showed you guys and you press it down, and I would say do it slowly. It came out a little bit when I did it because I did it fast. When you do that, that's when you'll actually be able to use the product. And guys, this is going to be perfect for using for like ombre designs. If you're doing designs in general for your nails, you do need to use this with an airbrush tool, so definitely have that on hand. But these are literally the perfect size because a little bit goes a long way. You don't really need to use a lot. We do get so many different colors, so I really appreciate the brand for providing us so many different colors, including black and white. And overall, guys, just being able to see the presentation, just being able to actually see the color was very deep. I really enjoyed the color, and honestly, I'm going to be using these for years to come. Once again, Saviland is one of my favorite brands when it comes to nails in general because all of their products are amazing. They're long lasting, and most importantly, they're affordable. So once again, this is the full pack. Just getting you guys once again a close-up. They look amazing, guys. I would highly recommend this if you guys are looking to invest in some new products to be able to use with an airbrush. This is the brand for you. So I hope that you guys are able to enjoy these dilution-free airbrush nail polishes from the brand Saviland, and I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching.